There's a tool that we launched, in fact. It's sort of a fine-tuned model. And we sort of said, well, Midjourney is great, but what if you could be there?
In today's video, we'll discuss a subject that has stirred up debates and concerns across industries. Will AI take over jobs? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has made remarkable advancements in recent years, revolutionizing various aspects of our lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, AI has become increasingly integrated into our daily routines. However, with this progress comes apprehension about its impact on the job market. In this video, we'll examine the potential effects of AI on employment and delve into the ongoing conversation about whether AI will ultimately replace human workers. We'll explore the optimistic and skeptical viewpoints, providing a balanced understanding of this complex topic. So, if you're curious about the future of work in an AI-dominated world and want to know if your job is at risk, keep watching as we explore the question, will AI take over jobs? There are two perspectives to consider regarding this issue. On one hand, robots and AI will eliminate certain jobs previously done by humans, but on the other hand, they will also generate new employment opportunities. Over the past 2 decades, robots and automation systems have gradually replaced approximately 1.7 million manufacturing jobs. However, it is anticipated that AI will give rise to an estimated 97 million new jobs by 2025. Not everyone shares the perspective that both sides of the argument hold merit. Sean Cho, the former CEO of AI startup Catalytic, is among those who hold a skeptical view. He believes that robots are not intelligent and is not alone in his candid assessment. Cho points to the abundance of videos showcasing robot failures on platforms like YouTube as evidence to support his viewpoint. However, it's important to note that Cho's skepticism does not mean that advancements in robotics and AI are not happening at all. Rather, he suggests that these advancements are occurring at a slower pace than what sensationalized media coverage often portrays. This slower progress can be seen as a positive development for many who fear that robots and other AI-powered technologies will soon replace their jobs. It's crucial to consider the opinions of those who believe in potential job security despite recognizing that not everyone shares this optimism. According to an investment bank Goldman Sachs report, artificial intelligence, AI, can potentially replace around 300 million full-time jobs. This could account for a quarter of work tasks in the United States and Europe. However, alongside job displacement, there is also the possibility of new job opportunities and a subsequent increase in productivity. The report highlights that AI can generate virtually indistinguishable content from human work. This development, known as generative AI, is considered a significant advancement in the field. It suggests that this progress in AI technology could eventually lead to a 7% increase in the total annual value of global goods and services produced. While the potential for job displacement is a concern, the report acknowledges the potential positive impact of AI in creating new employment prospects and driving overall economic growth. Many experts agree that several professions will undergo complete automation within the next 5 to 10 years. The Forbes Technology Council comprises senior-level tech executives and has identified 15 such professions. These include insurance underwriting, warehouse and manufacturing jobs, customer service, research and data entry, long-haul trucking, as well as a broad category labeled "any tasks that can be learned," which encompasses various job functions that can be automated. The potential for automation in these areas suggests significant changes in the job market and highlights the need for individuals to adapt to the evolving landscape of technology and skills requirements. The UK government wants to encourage investment in AI, believing it will enhance economic productivity. They want AI to improve our jobs, not replace them. Technology Secretary Michelle Donnellan reassured the public about AI's impact, emphasizing its complementarity to how we work. A recent report highlights the influence of AI will differ across sectors. It suggests that around 46% of administrative and 44% of legal tasks could be automated. However, only 6% of construction and 4% of maintenance tasks have the same potential for automation. According to BBC News, some artists have expressed concerns that AI image generators could affect their job opportunities. In a 2018 essay, AI expert and CEO of Sinovation Ventures, Kai-Fu Lee, predicted that AI would automate 50% of all jobs within 15 years. He mentioned professions like accountants, factory workers, truckers, paralegals, and radiologists as examples of jobs that could face disruption similar to what farmers experienced during the Industrial Revolution. The development of generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard have raised questions about the impact on jobs involving writing. While AI is unlikely to match the genuine creativity of humans, it is already being used to generate writing ideas and assist with repetitive content creation. Tasks such as writing standard emails, creating social media posts, and responding to customer service requests can now be handled by AI writing tools or chatbots. In some cases, AI generates a first draft that a human then edits. AI has also made strides in the art and design world, producing artwork of significant value. AI art generators like Midjourney and DALL-E are gaining popularity. The impact of AI-generated art on artists and designers varies, with some viewing it as a tool and others perceiving it as a threat. While many believe that AI will never reach the same artistic recognition as human artists, fields such as graphic design and commercial art may be affected as these AI tools become more refined and capable of following specific design prompts. Although AI will undoubtedly change the future of work, there are various theories about the nature of that change. Not all are pessimistic. Many suggest positive outcomes and opportunities in the evolving landscape. Kai-Fu Lee highlights 4 fundamental weaknesses of AI that prevent it from taking over certain jobs. These weaknesses include difficulties in complex strategic planning, tasks requiring precise hand-eye coordination, dealing with unknown and unstructured spaces, and utilizing empathy. Additionally, there will be a continued demand for human workers to help adapt to a world with a greater presence of AI technology adoption, requires a significant human workforce to ensure it reduces workloads rather than increasing them. Amazon, known for its automation and increasing use of robots in its warehouses, announced an upskilling 2025 inches program to retrain 1/3 of its 300,000 U.S. workforce. The company plans to invest $700 million in voluntary training to provide employees with skills applicable to technical roles inside and outside Amazon. In the age of AI, there are certain skills that individuals should cultivate to thrive. These skills include basic mathematics, strong verbal and written communication, creativity, people management, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and problem solving. While some may view Amazon's retraining initiative as a PR campaign or impractical, there is value in additional education. Instead of dwelling on cynicism, focusing on the proactive steps individuals can take to thrive in an AI-powered world is more productive. Cultivating essential skills like effective communication, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence will continue to be highly valuable, as these are areas where human expertise remains unmatched. Furthermore, it is important to remember that AI is a tool that can augment human capabilities rather than solely replace them. By embracing the possibilities offered by AI, individuals can adapt and contribute in new and meaningful ways. With the right mindset and a willingness to learn, we can navigate the changing landscape of work and seize the opportunities presented by AI to create a future where humans and machines collaborate for the benefit of society. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.